So how do you get the iPhone to respond to Hey Siri? Well, that's the question I'm going to answer, because currently when I hold down on the side button on my iPhone, the Siri gets activated and I can talk to it and so on. But if I say, Hey Siri, nothing is actually going to happen. And the reason for it is that it's not set up inside of the settings. So if I go to the main settings page and come back to, the main thing, you can scroll through the options and either find Siri, or it might be called Apple Intelligence and Siri. So this is what you need to click on. Tap on the Talk to Siri option and make sure that not only you have the press side button enabled, but also the voice command, which might be either Siri or Hey Siri, right? So you can enable it like that. Then you'll have to say a couple of phrases like, Hey Siri, how's the weather? To go through this, right? And once you are going to be done with this setup process, the phone will actually listen to the commands like Hey Siri or Siri, and it will then be activated and it will be able to reply to you instantly without having to hold down on the side button. So that's how it works. That's what I quickly wanted to explain. If you have some more questions, leave them below in the comments. I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Thanks a lot for watching.